I received this 2-in-1 brad nailer as a gift, and I wanted to give a detailed look at it and how it works. This is an 18 gauge cordless nailer that can handle fasteners up to 2 inches, and it comes with the battery, charger, 200 nails, and 200 staples, so you can start using it right away. I like that it includes both options because it gives you more flexibility depending on the type of project that you're working on. One of the first things I noticed is how comfortable it feels in your hand. It's lightweight and well balanced, so it doesn't feel bulky or awkward while using it. Since it's cordless, you also don't have to deal with air hoses or compressors, which makes it much easier to move around while working. It has 2 firing modes, which is really helpful. You can use single firing when you want precise placement, or switch modes for quicker firing when you're working on larger sections. Having both options makes it versatile for different projects. There's also a depth adjustment feature, so you can control how deep the nails or staples go into your material. That's helpful for getting a clean finish and avoiding driving them in too far, especially on softer materials. The built-in LED light is a nice detail too. It lights up your workspace so you can see exactly where you're placing fasteners, which is especially helpful if you're working in corners, inside cabinets, or anywhere with lower lighting. Another big plus is that it's compatible with Matika style 20-volt batteries, which is convenient if you already have tools that use that battery platform. The overall build feels solid and durable, nothing feels loose, and the controls are simple and easy to understand. Loading the nails or staples is straightforward, and switching settings doesn't feel complicated. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The cordless design, including fasteners, adjustable settings, and lightweight feel, make this nailer practical and easy to use for a wide range of projects. If you're looking for a versatile tool that gives you both nails and staples in one device, this is a really convenient option.